Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. Ethereum cost examination shows that bulls need to mobilize the digital currency towards the $158 level to assist with framing an inversion design. United States dollar needs to exchange over the $170 level to turn specialized bullish on all fronts. Ethereum has been making a consistent recuperation from its December 2019 exchanging low. In any case, the United States dollar pair has neglected to match the presentation of its closest opponent, Bitcoin. Ethereum's specialized investigation shows that the cryptographic money needs to mobilize over the $170 level to get its medium-term possibilities. United States dollar medium-term cost pattern. Ethereum's specialized investigation shows that the digital currency is still in fact negative and has been caught underneath its key 200-day moving normal since November of a year ago. Bulls need to revitalize the United States dollar pair over the $170 level to change this dynamic. The new recuperation across the digital money market has worked on the specialized standpoint of the United States dollar pair, albeit the speed of late gains in the second biggest crypto has emphatically fallen behind Bitcoin. Taking a gander at the day-to-day time span, merchants are as of now engaging around the United States dollar pair's 50-day moving normal. Proceeded with adjustment over this area upholds further gains towards the $170 level. It appears to be that for Ethereum to advance higher, a bullish impetus is required. Positive principal news are more gains in the BTC United States dollar pair towards $9,000 could help the United States dollar recuperation to be higher. United States dollar momentary cost pattern. Ethereum's specialized examination over a shorter period of time shows that the digital money is bullish while cost exchanges over the $137 level. The cryptographic money has as of late begun to build up momentum over its 200 period, moving normal on the 4-hour time span, following a long time of slow misfortunes. United States dollar bulls need to energize the digital money towards the $158 level to frame a legitimate bullish inversion design. Inability to revitalize the digital money towards the $158 level will energize the thought that the most recent move higher is essentially a minor remedy inside a bigger downtrend. In the event that a bullish inversion design is shaped, the size of the bullish example proposes a meeting towards the $190 region could be not too far off. It will surely be fascinating to check whether Ethereum can keep on get-together strength from current levels, taking into account its market size and spot in the crypto rankings. What is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain framework that elements its own digital money, Ether. ETH functions as a stage for various other digital currencies, as well with respect to the execution of decentralized shrewd agreements. Ethereum was first portrayed in a 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin. Buterin, alongside other fellow benefactors, got financing for the task in a web-based public group deal in the late spring of 2014. The undertaking group figured out how to bring $18.3 million up in Bitcoin, and Ethereum's cost in the initial coin offering, ICO, was $0.311, with more than 60 million Ether sold. Taking Ethereum's cost now, this puts the profit from speculation, ROI, at an annualized pace of more than 270%, basically nearly quadrupling your venture consistently since the late spring of 2014. The Ethereum Foundation authoritatively sent off the blockchain on July 30, 2015, under the model codenamed Boondocks. Since then, at that point, there has been a few organization refreshes: Constantinople on February 28, 2019, Istanbul on December 8, 2019, Muir Glacier on January 2, 2020, Berlin on April 14, 2021, and most as of late on August 5, 2021, the London hard fork. Ethereum's own implied objective is to turn into a worldwide stage for decentralized applications, permitting clients from everywhere the world to compose and run programming that is impervious to oversight, personal time and misrepresentation. Who are the founders of Ethereum? Ethereum has a sum of 8 prime supporters, a curiously enormous number for a crypto project. They initially met on June 7, 2014, in Zug, Switzerland. Russian-Canadian Vitalik Buterin is maybe the most popular of the pack. He wrote the first white paper that previously depicted Ethereum in 2013, regardless chips away at working on the stage right up to the present day. Before ETH, Buterin helped to establish and compost for the Bitcoin magazine news site. British software engineer Gavin Wood is apparently the second most significant prime supporter of ETH, as he coded the main specialized execution of Ethereum in the C++ programming language, proposed Ethereum's local programming language Solidity, and was the primary boss innovation official of the Ethereum Foundation. Before Ethereum, Wood was an exploration researcher at Microsoft. Subsequently, he continued on to lay out the Web3 Foundation. Among the other prime supporters of Ethereum are Anthony D'Iorio, who guaranteed the venture during its beginning phase of improvement. Charles Hoskinson, who played the central job in laying out the Swiss-based Ethereum Foundation and its lawful structure. Mihai Alisi, who gave help with laying out the Ethereum Foundation. Joseph Lubin, a Canadian business visionary, who, as D'Iorio, has helped store Ethereum during its initial days, and later established a hatchery for new companies in view of ETH called Consensus. Amir Chetrit, who helped establish Ethereum yet moved back from it right on time into the turn of events. What makes Ethereum unique? Ethereum has spearheaded the idea of a blockchain Shroud agreement stage. Shroud agreements are PC programs that naturally execute the activities important to satisfy an arrangement between a few gatherings on the web. They were intended to lessen the requirement for believed intermediates between project workers, accordingly decreasing exchange costs, while likewise expanding exchange unwavering quality. Ethereum's vital development was planning a stage that permitted it to execute savvy contracts utilizing the blockchain, which further supports the generally existing advantages of brilliant agreement innovation. Ethereum's blockchain was planned, as per prime supporter Gavin Wood, as a kind of one PC for the whole planet, hypothetically ready to make any program more strong, oversight safe and less inclined to misrepresentation, by running it on a universally dispersed organization of public hubs. Notwithstanding Shroud agreements, Ethereum's blockchain can have other cryptographic forms of money, called tokens, using its ERC20 similarity standard. As a matter of fact, this has been the most widely recognized use for the ETH stage up until this point. Until this point in time, in excess of 200